Hi, this is Paul Gilbert with Wells Solar. In this video today, we're going to be going over how to use your backup generator. The first thing you're going to want to do is plug it in. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is plug in all the cords before we turn on the generator. So you're going to take your whip, put it right up to the 240 socket, and push it in. Next, we're going to want to locate the generator receptacle. It should be right next to your electrical service panel. Line up the plug, push it all the way in, turn it 20 degrees to the right, and then line up your bushing and go ahead and screw this all the way down. Then we'll find your electrical service panel. Go ahead and open up the door. Inside you should have an interlock kit for the generator. Now it's important to go ahead and turn off the main breaker. Then we're going to slide the interlock kit up, turn the breaker switch on. If you have a solar system, you want to make sure your solar system is off. Now we'll come to the generator. Now this is your generator control panel. You're going to want to take your key that came with the generator, go ahead and put it in, and turn it to the on position. There's a ripcord on the side, so you're going to want to pull the ripcord about 2 or 3 times before it kicks on. These generators can be powered by 2 different fuel sources. You can use gasoline, but we recommend that you use propane. It'll help protect your carburetor. Once the generator is on, you're going to want to turn on idle control, flip your breaker up, push the button in, and turn the switch to 240. And that'll flow power out of the socket into the receptacle and power your house.